Welcome back to TapTech, the channel where we keep our reviews simple, clear, and straight to the point. Today we are looking at the ROG Ally X, a handheld gaming PC that promises to bring the power of desktop-level gaming into the palm of your hand. When it comes to gaming experience, the ROG Ally X delivers in a way that makes you forget you're playing on a portable device. Powered by AMD's latest Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor and paired with integrated RDNA 3 graphics, it runs modern AAA games at smooth frame rates, even in native resolution. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and Forza Horizon 5 play surprisingly well, especially when you tweak settings for performance. With the high refresh rate display, fast-paced shooters like Apex Legends and Fortnite feel incredibly responsive. It's not just about raw power. Either ROG has optimized the Ally X for sustained gaming performance. Even during long play sessions, frame rates remain stable, and thermal throttling is minimal. Whether you're relaxing on the couch, traveling, or connecting it to a dock for a full desktop gaming setup, it delivers an immersive experience that rivals much larger machines. The design of the ROG Ally X blends portability with the aggressive styling ROG fans know well. It's slightly larger than a traditional handheld console, but slimmer and more comfortable than carrying a gaming laptop. The matte finish resists fingerprints, while the contoured grips make it easy to hold for extended periods. The controls feel premium with tactile buttons, responsive triggers, and smooth thumbsticks that offer excellent precision. The RGB lighting around the joysticks adds a nice touch of personality without being overwhelming. Build quality is solid, with no flex in the chassis, in a sense that it's made to handle the rigors of portable gaming. The display is one of the standout features. It's a 7-inch Full HD panel with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, making motion buttery smooth. The touchscreen is bright, vibrant, and offers excellent viewing angles, so whether you're indoors or outdoors, visibility is never an issue. Colors are rich and accurate, making games look stunning and videos pop. The higher refresh rate also gives it an edge in competitive titles, keeping input lag to a minimum. Performance is where the Ally X shows just how far handheld gaming PCs have come. The combination of AMD's processor, fast LPDDR5X RAM, and a high-speed NVMe SSD ensures quick load times, smooth gameplay, and seamless multitasking. You can switch between games, apps, and even desktop tasks without slowdowns. Thermal management is impressive, with dual fans and an advanced vapor chamber keeping heat under control. Even under load, fan noise is reasonable and doesn't distract. From gameplay, on the software and features side, the Ally X runs Windows 11, which means you can play games from virtually any platform: Steam, Xbox Game Pass, Epic Games, and more. You get full PC functionality, so you can also use it for productivity or media playback when needed. ROG Armory crates say software serves as the central hub for performance tuning, game library management, and controller configuration. Switching between performance modes is quick, letting you balance battery life and power depending on the game. Battery life is respectable for a handheld gaming PC. Lighter games and streaming can stretch it to 6 to 8 hours, but heavy AAA titles will bring it closer to 2 to 3 hours. The good news is that it supports fast charging via USB-C, topping up quickly so you can get back to gaming without long breaks. For creative performance, the Ally X isn't just for gaming. It's capable of light content creation tasks like photo editing, light video editing, and media management. The high-quality display and responsive touchscreen make these activities surprisingly pleasant for a handheld. Audio is another strong point. The front-facing stereo speakers deliver clear, balanced sound with decent bass for such a compact device. Voices are crisp, music is rich, and in-game effects have depth. There's also support for Dolby Atmos, enhancing spatial audio for a more immersive gaming or movie experience. For private listening, you can connect high-quality headphones via the 3.5mm jack. Bluetooth or USB-C connectivity is versatile. You get USB-C with DisplayPort support, allowing you to connect external monitors or even a full gaming dock. There's also a micro SD card slot for storage expansion, a 3.5mm audio jack, Wi-Fi 6E for fast, stable online gaming, Bluetooth. 5.3 ensures smooth pairing with controllers, headphones, and other accessories. When it comes to price and value, the ROG Ally X offers a lot for gamers who want both portability and PC-level flexibility. It's more expensive than traditional handheld consoles, but you're getting a full Windows gaming PC in a compact form factor. For players who travel often or want a dual device, it's a worthwhile investment. The pros are clear, powerful, gaming performance in a portable form, excellent display, full PC functionality, and strong build quality. The cons are limited battery life for heavy gaming and a price tag that may be high for casual players. In the final verdict, the ROG Ally X is one of the most capable handheld gaming devices available today. It bridges the gap between consoles and gaming PCs, offering a truly portable machine that can run your favorite titles anywhere. If you want desktop-level flexibility and gaming power that fits in your hands, the ROG Ally X delivers exactly that. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we bring you reviews that are simple, clear, and to the point. Make sure to subscribe for more honest and detailed tech reviews coming soon.